Engaging in a daily regimen of 100 burpees can have both positive and negative effects on your body, depending on various factors like your fitness level, form, and recovery strategies. Let's delve into the potential consequences of such a demanding exercise routine. After seeing this video, your knowledge are boost up and lead a healthy lifestyle. Let's go. Positive effects of burpees. Number 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Burpees are a high-intensity, full-body exercise that can significantly boost your cardiovascular fitness. Doing 100 burpees daily can enhance your heart's ability to pump blood efficiently, leading to better overall cardiovascular health. Number 2. Increased strength. Burpees engage multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, arms, core, and legs. Consistently performing this exercise can lead to increased muscle strength and endurance. Number 3. Weight loss. The intensity of burpees results in a substantial calorie burn. Over time, this can contribute to weight loss and body fat reduction, assuming your diet is also in check. Number 4. Enhanced agility. Burpees involve rapid transitions between different positions, which can improve your agility and coordination. Number 5. Mental toughness. Completing 100 burpees daily requires mental fortitude and discipline. This can enhance your mental toughness and resilience, which can be applied to various aspects of life. Negative effects of burpees. Number 1. Overuse injuries. Performing 100 burpees every day can increase the risk of overuse injuries, such as tendinitis or stress fractures, especially if your form is not optimal or if you don't allow for adequate recovery. Number 2. Muscle fatigue. The high volume of burpees can lead to muscle fatigue and burnout, potentially diminishing the quality of your workouts and overall fitness progress. Number 3. Joint strain. Burpees involve impact on your joints, particularly the wrists, shoulders, and knees. Repeatedly subjecting these areas to stress can result in joint strain or discomfort. Number 4. Plateau and diminished gains. Your body may adapt to the daily 100 burpee routine, leading to a plateau in fitness gains. To continue progressing, you might need to vary your workouts. Number 5. Time commitment. Completing 100 burpees can be time-consuming, which may not be sustainable in the long term due to busy schedules. Mitigating factors of burpees. To minimize potential negative effects and maximize the benefits of doing 100 burpees daily, consider these strategies. Proper form. Ensure you perform burpees with correct form to reduce the risk of injury. Rest and recovery. Incorporate rest days to allow your muscles and joints to recover. Consider active recovery activities like stretching and foam rolling. Variation. Add variety to your workouts to prevent plateaus and reduce the risk of overuse injuries. Nutrition. Maintain a balanced diet to support your energy levels and recovery needs. In conclusion, doing 100 burpees daily can have both positive and negative effects on your body. While it can improve cardiovascular health, strength, and mental toughness, it also carries the risk of overuse injuries and burnout. It's essential to approach such a regimen with caution, ensuring proper form, recovery, and a well-rounded fitness program. By the way friends, please like and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell.